Hello guys, this is Vansh. Welcome to day 4. This is Saturday, Vansh Code Works. And today I think I have done many things but didn't because I done college things, college lectures and studying about maths and do little bit of revisions. Revisions about recursion, basic C++ and basics of arrays and these things because I think I have some problems in this basic logic problem, so I revised all these things. And in C, I learned string, how to do string, reverse string, and these all things are basic logic question that will I upload on GitHub to basic C questions or a basic C++ questions like this. Because in college I have to do code in C. For DSA I am doing C++, and because of MIT lectures I have to do Python. So I have to do many things, and because of web development I have to do JavaScript too. As you know, I have done Web3. I am doing Web3 because of college Metacrafters. Metacrafters is a very good platform for Web3 learning, and my college gave a scholarship about $150, so I have to do that. Because I want $150. So because of college I have to study Web3, and I gained some serious interest in Web3 actually. I learned about Solidity, basics of Solidity and many more things too. So I will recommend you one website to learn, Crypto Zombies. I will share the link though. But Crypto Zombies is a very good website to learn about Solidity because this website is amazing. I think amazing website. You can learn Solidity like a game and it's actually cool. So firstly I am doing only for a reward, then I am gaining some serious, having some great money. I think I will be trying in the future to get an internship in Web3 or having a freelancing in Web3. So because of anything you want to do like forcefully, you can gain a serious interest in these things too. So I think you have to feel exploration. You have to feel like I have to explore many more things to get knowledge about many more things. If you know 10 things, you have perspective about 10 things only. But if you have 100 things in your mind, you have perspective about 100 things, and then you can decide better. Your decision making things are very better. Thanks for today. I know I am not doing good in weekends because of the college studies and I have to manage both things. My exams are from 15 March too. So I have done basic revision, actually very basic revision, gave only 3 to 4 hours only, and other time only for college. I have to do that because I have to write assignments and many more things, practical file, college things. Yes, that things. So thanks for watching. Vansh Code Works, Vansh this side. Jai Hind.